Hi, my name is Charis Ow, and today I'll be answering rapid fire questions on all things related to my wedding. I definitely would choose classic because you're gonna take lots of photos that day, and probably these photos will last you 10, 20, 30, 40 years. And in 50 years time, whatever makeup that's trendy may not be trendy anymore, so definitely go for classic. I think extensions would be more fuss-free, but if you want to change up your look, Falsies is definitely the choice, and for me, I will go for Falsies. Maybe for the tea ceremony, maybe I'll have a bun to go with the oriental look, but other than that, I would like to have that princessy, romantic look. I'm the type that loves to change my nails, so I'm definitely going for stick-ons for the day because I have a few looks, and maybe I'll change them up. We'll see how it goes, so stay tuned. Both. Yeah, so I'm very big on skincare, but I also like that little glittery effect that makeup can give you, so definitely both. Cuti Malaysia. Okay, so to be very honest, just putting it out there, weddings are not cheap. So my fiance and I thought like, hey, why not before going to our actual honeymoon, let's go for a getaway. And we thought of Sabah and Sarawak for a little staycation. So yeah, Cuti Malaysia first. I don't know yet, to be honest. Maybe because Daryl is also a dancer. He used to dance, and I love dancing too. Maybe like a little dance, walk-in sort of thing. But you should watch our wedding videos soon. There will be more dancing. I'm not a fan of really poofy dresses, but I will have a train because I think there's some sort of classiness in a wedding dress with a long train. So it's not too long. I'm not gonna go against Princess Diana or Mariah Carey. So just a train that is just nice. Yeah, that will do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!